I don't make an income report video for a few months and some of you lose your minds. Like, I wake up 10 minutes ago from this beautiful nap, and this is the comment I see on my most recent video. Adam, do you even sell on Amazon anymore? Well, you're just a regular guru now. I really hope I'm not giving you guys this impression. If I am, let me know why. I'm going to show you guys my sales results from the last month because, wow, this is just, I'm not okay with this. I am not okay with this. Okay, because I take a few months off from working my butt off on my Amazon business to work on updating my course. And I do this for you guys, sure. I make money on the course. You got me. But at the same time, I could just peddle a shit course like almost everyone else does, telling you to look for these competitive products with less than 100 reviews that make you lose your damn money. But no, I'm not okay with doing that. Like, physically, I'm just not. I could never live with myself. Okay, so I update my course and I get crap for spending all this time doing it instead of doing other things like Amazon. Good thing Amazon's passive because I'm still making money. Let's go take a look at Adam, how much money could you possibly make? I mean, you haven't been working your butt off. Oh, wait, that's the wrong screenshot. Here's the Amazon one. Made $22,000 in sales in the last 1 month. These are 5-minute hot screenshots. 5 minutes ago. Now, how much money do you actually make, Adam? Usually I say a third of that's profit. Wrong. My margins for this last month have been 39%, meaning I made $9,000 in profit. Now, you got me. This doesn't include everything. Okay, it doesn't include the software I pay for. So let's just say I pay $300 a month for software. Oh, it also doesn't include what? Product samples, even though samples for future products should be included in those products' costs, not right now. But let's just say I spent $200 more on samples. Okay, now we're at $8,500 in profit in 1 month. That is still twice what I made at my day job, and I did it 100% passively. I have not been working on my Amazon business except for reordering products over the last month. Period. That's it. Well, I guess I should take that back. I did fly down to Florida to meet with my business partner, and we did work on some of the new products we're working on then. Now you guys say, Adam, this isn't $50,000 a month or $100,000 a month. What's going on? I thought you were up and billionaire. No, it's not. Because I'm enjoying my lifestyle so much now. I mean, just last week, I flew 3 of my best friends down to Las Vegas. I paid for almost every dollar of the trip because, they're broke and nothing against them. And we had a blast. Okay, I'm working like 30, maybe 40 hours a week. I'm not working the 70 hours a week I used to. I am loving my life. I am loving it. And also on top of that, you guys got to know, being a 7-figure seller doesn't make you that qualified to teach Amazon. Okay, I know some 7-figure sellers there. There's a couple, they're great people, but they have one product that makes them $1 million a year in sales. One product. It was their very first, well, it wasn't their first product. It was like their third product they launched. Okay, that's it. I saw them launch their 4th product, and you know how well it did? It didn't do so well. It didn't, especially since they spent like $20,000 ordering it. They're stuck with inventory right now. So we've got 7-figure seller that has 4 product experiences, 1 of which was successful. And then we've got me. I've got 5 products, 4 of which did, 1 of them just lost me money. I'll tell you that. 4th product just lost money. The rest of them did fine. Then we've got the case study after case study after case study of student successful products that I've seen. I know it works. I know it hasn't. There's a reason why I make myself available to talk to as a YouTuber. Go try and book a call with the other YouTubers. Try it. I bet you can't do it, but anybody can book one on my calendar right now because I want to, not only do I get to help you guys out, I love doing that, but I get to see case study after case study after case study of what works. Okay, so the point where I've got 5 products out here, we're working on 4 more, but I've got an extra 50 successful case studies where I know exactly what product the students sold, I know exactly what they did, and I got to see their entire process because I realized a long time ago, like 15 years ago, that my passion is for teaching. I love teaching people things. I love helping them out. I was in 8th grade math class in statistics, and I was probably, that'd be like 10th grade. But I was in 10th grade statistics class, and the teacher unanimously sucked. Everyone thought she was terrible. But I wanted to stand up there every day and be like, just let me get on the whiteboard and start teaching, because I knew how to teach. Every time, and we would break up into small groups, I'd be out there explaining stuff to the other members in my group, and they'd click and they'd get it. And I love seeing that. I love seeing that. And then I wanted to give that to more people. I mean, there was literally one time we had a substitute teacher in my AP government class, and I taught the entire class. I literally was up on the whiteboard teaching the entire class because I knew what I was doing. I loved teaching it, and everyone else did too. So they were totally okay with letting me be up there. And yes, I was the absolute nerd in high school to a crazy extent. I graduated valedictorian. That was my life. Like, I wouldn't do it again, but I did it once. So, yes, I'm not a seven-figure seller, but I'm a guy who's come equipped to help other people out, and I built my whole business around that. And if you really wanted me to be a guru, I'd be out there running a ton of ads on my course, which I might do. Don't hold that past me, because people are selling $1 million a month of their course, and it's shit. I've seen them. So where am I at in my business? Right now, told you, 5 products, 4th one's a failure. We're selling out of it. We're getting closer. I'm working on right now 4 new ones, because I told you, I have a long list of products that I should have 10 products out. Why do I have 5? Because I suck at crossing the finish line. I get 3 weeks into working on a product and I lose all my excitement, all of it. I have so many products sitting in my room at home of samples of products that I almost did. I should have done. Okay, I paid $1,300 for a mold for a product that I still never did, because I lost all excitement for it and I just don't care anymore. I'm going to move on to something that I'm excited about. Second, I find a product that's great. I'm like, yes, I love this. And then even yesterday, I was split testing some of my designs for a new product, and I was like, wow, I just really don't care about this product right now, even though it's a great idea. So I brought this guy on. He was a friend of mine, and I'm giving him 50% of any products we work on. Any products, 50% of the profit, because he is a doer. This guy's working 78 hours a week. He has a regular job, and he's working on top of that. And he's a guy who can finish things, whereas I suck at that. But he's really good at going through and pounding out the motions and doing a step-by-step plan. And I'm really, really, really bad at that. So I also hired a virtual assistant who now takes care of all my customer service, who you maybe worked with her if you needed some questions about the course or you needed an invoice for the course. And I bring on to take myself out of the business, because personally, I want to not be working on the business. I want to be doing other things that I really, really enjoy. And Amazon, this shouldn't shock you, is not something I get up every day stoked for. When I find a new product, I'm stoked. But it's something that it's a way you can make a lot of money. I mean, really. $9,000, $8,500 is a lot of money to make. So, Adam, what happened, bro? Back in July, you sold $43,000 in 1 month on Amazon. Why right now is it back down to $22,000? Well, let me tell you why. In that video, I told you my first products were in season, which means in season for that niche is at least twice as many sales, if not 3x as many sales as a normal month. Okay. Also, I had a competitor enter the space for my very first product. He literally ripped it off 100%. Just copied it perfectly. Right? His marketing's not as good, but he was able to take a lower price. And so he stole about half of my sales. Half of them. Now this sucks. It completely sucks. And the only thing I can do now is really to redo the listing some and add a video. That's the next step to get the sales back up here, is add a video. But guess what? Okay, this product is launched on February 1st of 2018. It's been out for a year and a half. It has made me this year alone over 30 grand in profit, and I haven't touched it. I haven't done a thing to it besides reorder. The listing is the exact same listing as a year ago. And it's just been completely passive. So yeah, a year and a half. I mean, that's how long a lot of products last until somebody one-ups you, or in this case, is just willing to take way lower margins. It's okay. It's just life. It's reality. That's why we work on new products. And if I didn't work on this YouTube channel, if I didn't work on a course, yeah, I'd have a lot more products. I literally took 2 months and focused only on this course and only on helping students out with it. And that is 2 months of my life that I had almost no time to work on my Amazon business. And I am so happy to do it because I love seeing these students' success stories, because I'm not going to change anybody else's life working on Amazon alone. Sure, I might be able to sit on a beach somewhere. I might be able to sell this business for a couple $1 million someday, but I am never going to help anybody out. And it's like, I don't know, that's just not it's just not as exciting to me. It's really not. So that's where I'm at. $8,500 last month in profit. I don't know what you guys were expecting. I guess tell me in the comments. I really hope to not come off as a guru. I don't want to pursue that. I don't want to be that guy. I know that I have been selling my course a lot more and a lot more aggressively because I hear students tell me, they message me and I keep talking to them. I'm like, oh, have you heard about the course? They're like, no. It's like it's probably 25% of the people I talk to didn't even know I had a course until I started heavily promoting it on my YouTube videos a month ago. Like, not only am I letting people buy other people's shitty course, I've had so many students spend $2,000 on a course and then come to me say, Adam, I guess I need your help. They paid $2,000 on a course and then book a call with me instead of their other mentor, who is not actually a mentor. I hate these people so much that are doing this shit, but it's whatever. They're selling $1 million a month, so I guess good for them. And so, anyways, I'm done ranting. Guys, I don't want this channel to become some fake shit.